that's why I'm changing the oil on my compressor. I got this years ago at a pawn shop. I don't think I've used it once or twice. I've got another one exactly like it. I thought, you know, I'm gonna check the soil before I use it. I pulled this out of here and it was like, ew, oh, it's terrible. So, yeah, how nasty that is. It's like molasses. I've never seen compressor oil turn black like that. Oh, maybe it is molasses. Anyway, thanks for watching me and my Air Made by M Glow. Be a good cheer.